we have come a very, very long way. At the time, Europe was still divided into different and opposing nations. The Latin American continent was frequently under military rule. China was in a state quite different from what it has become now. And the United Nations itself was still in the third year only of its existence and had not yet fashioned the whole system of organizations. There are still terrible violations, not to speak of Israel and Palestine, not to speak of what's happening in the Democratic Republic of Congo or of Sudan, or in many, many places. Still things are going the wrong way, but we must hope that the young generation today, listening to the Human Rights Declaration, will find it possible to work so that things improve. It is stupid to think that these 5 countries still are the masters of peace and of war. We must have a reform of the Security Council. Many people have hoped for this. And if we do, then it is possible that a more equitable way of handling conflicts will appear. Nous avons aujourd'hui une haut-commissaire pour les droits de l'homme, une femme courageuse, intelligente, qui est à Genève. Dans tous les pays du monde aujourd'hui, il y a des défenseurs des droits de l'homme que nous devons soutenir. Et nous avons une fédération internationale des ligues des droits de l'homme ici, à Paris, qui fait un travail remarquable.